Hey, what's up, guys? It's Sunday morning, and we're gonna go hit up the little flea market today. It's been a minute since I've been down there. Hopefully I can find a few cool things to flip or add to the collection. So we're gonna head on down there. It's looking kind of gloomy out. Riding through downtown Cincinnati right now. But yeah, it's looking kind of gloomy out. Seen a couple drops of rain come on the window, but hopefully it'll hold off. It just said it's supposed to be cloudy today and no rain, but we'll find out. Let's go. Let's see how busy it is. There's people parked across the street, so there might be some decent amount of people here today. There we go. Sasquatch. Yeah, it's pretty busy for a Sunday. Cool. Not totally packed, but might be able to find some junk. Sure gonna be looking. All right, let's get it. Feel like looking through those.
How you doing, sir?
Good, how are you?
Does your clock work? Or do you know? No, it doesn't work. It would need to be fixed. Okay. What you got? Good. 30. This back next for sale. I gotta try to show you. The moms are thrown away, but I'm going to try to tell you. Yeah, and just turn it down and it's all down. What did you say? Do you want to keep these?
Yeah, I got stolen things.
If it was all like, say, music videos, concert videos,
Oh, yeah.
something like that, I could do. But the only other thing I could say is some of these might be worth something if it was like Walt Disney, old Walt Disney.
Yeah.
But there's a lot of research to do there and time looking. And, I mean,
Amazon's your best place to sell those. The Disney's.
Oh,
It's your
yeah.
best place to sell those because they get some big.
But that's something if you like maybe in the wintertime if you got time on your hands and you could sit behind the computer and do it, and I mean cool. But for your purposes,
No, that's why I got it.
yeah, that's right.
Block of beans and try to get 25 for everything. Yeah.
Okay, well I appreciate it. All right, thank you. All right, thank you. How you doing, man?
Yeah, I'm all for 25 bucks. Got a player there and all the tape for $25.
Not today, man. You got the room.
Yeah. Here you make the cornmeal for as a different, but that's fun to sandwich. How much standing?
How much are the games?
5 each one.
5.
So you got it right.
I think so.
How much is your number? 50 days, huh?
Oh, it's the price. That is good. Yeah. Big baby.
Set them over there. I'll get you a bag. Then I'll get change.
Sorry.
I've got 2 of them.
You this
Oh, I think I feel raindrops.
How much is your raises, sir? How much are your raises got?
It depends on which ones. A lot cheaper in the store, that's for sure.
I haven't seen you in a while.
Yeah,
How y'all been?
not bad, I guess.
How you been? Off and on, okay. How much is your burger?
Has that one sitting on.
How much of those? $1 candy. Yeah, we got the flavor of it. That one's fine. Fine. Or, do you have any other?
I got 6 of them. Just do 25 or 6?
I gotta stick to it, man.
Okay. Never hurts to ask, man.
A couple of them games, I don't even know if they're ever even put in a PlayStation, to tell you the truth. Got a bad habit of opening them and then
Yeah,
never playing.
I do the same thing.
Them games gotta be pulled off of that thing over there. It's gonna sprinkle.
Games.
Thanks, man.
Appreciate it.
Hey guys, just getting back from the flea market. It actually started raining, but good thing I was pretty much almost done doing my rounds. I did pick up a few things. I should be able to make thinking a couple $100. We'll see here. Seen in the video, guy had a stack of PS4 games. He wanted $5 a piece, which was a good price. Now I'm not an expert on PS4 prices because I don't have one, but I thought $5 a piece was a good deal on these games. Okay. We got Monopoly Family Fun Pack. I looked all these up too afterwards. This goes for about 15 bucks. This Ghostbusters game is pretty much like $8 to $10. It's not really worth much. I'm gonna lot a couple of the lower end ones together. We got Spider-Man. It seemed like about $15 game. This was a decent one, the Spyro Reignited Trilogy, which I think I have this on Switch and Xbox One. This is going for $25 used, so that's good. This is probably maybe worth the $5 I paid for it. But this was a pretty good surprise here. This is Back to the Future of the game, 30th Anniversary Edition. That's going for around $50 right now in pre-owned condition. So definitely a game to look out for. I didn't know that was that high. So 50, 75, 90, 105. We'll just say like $110 in games for $30. So that was a pretty good deal. I found this mixed in with some DVDs at a booth. There's a Donkey Kong Jungle Beat. Let's see if it was complete. Yeah, it's complete. Disc isn't too bad. It should work. Paid $2 for that. And this was I was looking up these products here. This guy had them. Get my phone out so I can kind of reference how much these were worth, because I did look them up. But yeah, got a good deal on these for sure. If you could see, he wrote that these were worth $180. These are INR Wellness MD. They're beta-glucan, some stuff for your immune system and stuff. But they are expired, as I've seen. 0120. Not sure if I'll be able to sell them on eBay or not, because they're expired. But they go for like $30 a bottle, so that's $120 if I can get it out of it. Or maybe just throw them up cheap. This is a Nutrafol Men Hair Wellness from Within. This sells for around $75, I've seen. It's just supplements. 120 capsules in there. Hopefully they're all in there. But yeah, that's about $100 or $75 right there. So I paid $20 for them two things. If I can't sell them, I'll definitely make money on that, so it's all right. And then you got these Skinny Tabs Detox. There's 30 tabs in there. These expire next November in 21, so we're good there. I did look them up. Paid $2 for that. Let's see if I can find it. Skinny Tabs Detox. Let's go to a recent sold, $45, but it had best offer. $55 brand new. $46 brand new. So yeah, $40–50 easy on that. Spent $2. So those two I should make $125. If I can, I might be able to get $100 out of that, so just $225. Then, you know, a little over $300 in value here. I paid like total of $54, I think. So I might be able to make $200 off this little bit of stuff I bought. So pretty good deal to me, man. Like I said, you just gotta, you know, I don't go there expecting to get video games. I don't expect to get video games anywhere anymore. It's that other stuff that adds up. So